Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am upstairs at the Crane Shores Vacation Rental in Donnelly. If you have any questions regarding the use and operation, this video should help you go through and give you an idea of what to do. So it is the CableOne remote that we have up here. We have a few different options available. We have a Wii, which is going to be on one of the AV inputs, and then we have the DVD VCR. So that's going to be on AV1, and it looks like AV2 is going to be the Wii. So as we cycle through, we're going to push the input button here. So HDMI 1 is what the cable is set to. So as you keep scrolling through, you can push it, and it's going to actually just cycle through the system. It says retrieving data, but we can expect nothing to be there. So we're just going to cycle through. There's nothing on HDMI 3, nothing on HDMI 4. TV doesn't have an antenna, so those days are no longer available. So AV1 is right here. So, good old Jerry Seinfeld, Jay Leno. AV2 is going to bring us over to the Wii. And then as we continue to cycle and push through the button, we'll just get back to HDMI 1. And that's going to allow us to continue watching the cable using CableOne. So as traditional channel buttons, left and right, volume, and a little more Jerry Seinfeld. Can't get enough of that guy. And there's the volume.
Jerry Seinfeld?
Jerry Seinfeld, folks. So if you've got any further questions using the television up here in Crane Shores, you can call us at the landline in the office, and that's a 208-634-0030. Cheers. Have a great time.